All is well, students. Today we are going to solve exercise 4.1. Second question from this exercise is, name the line given in all possible or 12 ways, choosing only 2 letters at a time from the 4 given. This is a line and the points given on the line are point A, point B, point C and point D. We have to choose only 2 letters at a time. So let's start from point A. This is line AB. Next one is AC, then AD. Now we'll start from point B. So first one is BA, BC, BD. Now we'll start from C, CA, CB, CD. Now point D is remaining, so start from D, DA, DB and DC. So these are 12 ways, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Fourth question from this exercise is, how many lines can pass through one given point? Suppose this is a point, this is a line passing through this point, this is another one, this is another. So we can draw countless lines. So the answer is countless or infinitely many lines can pass through one given point. Second is two given points. Suppose these are two given points. How many lines can pass through these two given points? Suppose I will draw this. So only one line can pass through two given points. Fifth question from exercise 4.1 is, draw a rough figure and label suitably in each of the following cases. We have to draw a figure from these cases. First one is, point P lies on segment AB. This is segment AB and point P lies on this segment. Second one is, line XY and line PQ intersect at M. So this is line XY and this is another line PQ. These two lines intersect at this point. We will label here as point M. Third one is, line L contains E and F but not D. Suppose this is line L. This line contains E and F, means E and F are on the line L and D is not on line L. Thank you.